In the food manufacturing and wholesale industries, managing allergens is critical to ensuring consumer safety and regulatory compliance. SAP Business One offers comprehensive tools for food manufacturing management, inventory tracking, and demand forecasting. Here's how it aids in allergen traceability. SAP Business One enables real-time tracking of all materials through the entire supply chain. This ensures that any allergen-containing ingredients are monitored at every stage of production. The system's batch and lot management capabilities allow for detailed tracking of allergen-containing batches. This ensures that manufacturers can quickly identify and isolate any potential contamination sources. SAP Business One simplifies compliance reporting by maintaining detailed records of all materials and their movement within the supply chain. This makes it easier to comply with food safety regulations and provides a clear audit trail. Effective supplier management tools within SAP Business One reduce the risk of allergen contamination from external sources. The system also helps keep track of supplier accreditations and certifications, ensuring that your business and your supply chain remain compliant with food safety regulations. By integrating SAP Business One into your operations, you unlock powerful benefits. First, efficiency. The system streamlines the allergen management process, reducing the manual workload and minimizing the risk of human error. Second, accuracy. SAP Business One enhances the accuracy of allergen labeling and traceability, ensuring that all allergen information is up to date and reliable. Third, responsiveness. The system improves the ability to respond quickly to potential allergen contamination issues, reducing the impact on consumers and the business. SAP Business One also integrates advanced data analytics to enhance traceability even further. By leveraging real-time data from connected devices, manufacturers can gain deeper insights into their production processes, identifying potential allergen contamination risks before they become critical incidents. Incorporating SAP Business One into food manufacturing and wholesale operations significantly enhances the ability to manage allergens effectively. By providing real-time tracking and detailed batch management, SAP Business One ensures that allergen traceability is maintained at the highest standards, protecting both consumers and the business. To find out more, please visit our website and download one of our SAP Business One guides. Link is in the video description below.